Hi guys, in our previous video we covered this Ulanzi MT16 mini tripod. Today we'll also be covering a Ulanzi product, which is this Ulanzi GP-4 quick release magnetic plate. Now first of all, I really like the design of this. Not every little plastic packaging has this little ziplock over here, which allows you to be able to reuse it, to be able to put back this or other small little accessories that you have. So taking it out, we only have two very simple pieces. So as you can see on the left side, here is this regular 1/4 inch little screw that you're able to put in towards any tripods that you have. Now let's bring in our previous tripod, which is this Ulanzi tripod here, and just screw it in and see how well we mount all the other accessories on top of it. Now what really attracted me to get this in the very first place, if you can see up close, there are two magnets over here. One on the left side, which is quite obvious, and actually one inside on the right side. If you put it up close, hear it once again. Above that, you can also turn it to be able to tighten it further, which is really helpful if you're using it for bike sports or other action sports. It's definitely unable to come out. So let's bring out my camera. So here I have my Osmos Pocket 2, having this thing already attached, and let's mount this up. Alright, so let's mount it up on top of this little tripod over here. And you can see, it's rather sturdy and does not come out easily. Now it's really convenient if you have other mounts too, such as this little bike mount, or even this little back clip. It's so convenient to just transfer this over other mounts that you have without having to meddle with the screws. It saves you a lot of time and it's definitely a very convenient option if you're out and about. So just to re-emphasize what you get with the regular packaging, so that you're able to get more if need be, you only have two adapters over here. So it's great and all, but James, how much is one set of these? Now it only costs about 15 USD, which is really cheap compared with other options that are out there. If you can see from this small rig, it costs nearly 30 USD for this mount, and even $30 for this other mount that is out there. It's definitely the most affordable option and the most functional, so I highly recommend this Ulanzi GP-4 magnetic adapter. If you have enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and hit the bell notification over here so you'll be updated with my latest upload, as well as more accessories or more camera tech reviews. My next video, I'll be summarizing my 2-month experience with this Osmos Pocket 2 and be able to share with you guys what do I feel, as well as the good and bad stuff about this little camera, and close it for the year. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.